Seriously, this has to stop. I recently watched a CIO at a 200 people food distribution company spend 14 months migrating to a custom Kubernetes cluster. They sell frozen shrimp. And here's what I keep seeing across non-technical companies, and this is crazy. The IT leader arrives with ambition, builds an engineering org that rivals a mid-stage startup, and delivers absolutely nothing the sales floor can point to. Well, this video is about how to fix that. IT is a non-technical company should exist to make marketing sharper, retention stickier, and sales faster. The problem is an IT leader building a resume, not a business function, replacing ERPs that work fine with ones that are more reliable, more scalable, replatforming e-commerce stacks generating revenue yesterday, standing up data lakes nobody's fishing in. It takes 2 years to build. By the time it's done, the stack is aging out, so they pitch the next migration. The board approves because what are they going to do? Say no? They don't understand the details. Meanwhile, the VP of sales still runs forecasts in a spreadsheet she built herself in 2019. That drives more revenue decisions than anything IT shipped in 3 years. I talked to a 90-store retail chain last quarter. IT had onboarded Jira, Confluence, a custom BI platform, and was evaluating ServiceNow. The average store manager's biggest tech challenge is getting the POS to print receipts. Nobody could tell me what any of it did for same-store sales. The IT leader who thrives in a non-technical company sits in on sales calls, knows the top 3 customer complaints without checking a dashboard, asks, does this help us sell more or keep us more customers? Before writing a single line of requirements. A logistics company we work with gave their IT lead one rule. Every project needs a sales sponsor, not a stakeholder. Someone from revenue who owns the outcome. No sponsor, no project. They killed 60% of their backlog overnight. What survived? Real-time delivery tracking customers could see. Automated reorder triggers based on purchase patterns. CRM integration that auto-populated client history before sales calls. Boring stuff that moved numbers. The IT leader of a non-technical company needs to be a business person who understands technology, not a technologist who tolerates the business. Every dollar on infrastructure not tied to acquiring, retaining, or serving a customer is a dollar burning in a server room nobody visits. I could be wrong, but well, maybe your frozen shrimp company really does need Kubernetes, but probably not.